All right, hello New World, and hello everyone. Yes, yeah, Jack is talking here. I'm a developer of Denmark, and I have the company Data Nerds. So, if you get a website from Data Nerds, what you will be is you will be provided with a login server that looks like this. You will be given a specific code and a specific site to go to. So you go to this site, and then you log in. So first thing I will do is I will log in. Let's see if I can remember my code. Um, Hold on a minute. Alright, so I log in with my code that I have. And what I will come to is this interface. Um, there will be an index file. I will put up an index file for you. That's where you put your code, your HTML code or Python code or what you want. I don't know what you want. And as you can see, it looks like this. This is the page I have. It looks like this for now. Alright, so if I want um, if I want to, so let's say I want to add another code. I want to add some backend to my website. I want to add some backend. I click a new file here, and I write backend.py, and now I have a Python file, and here you can put in a Python code. What does it declare? Okay, so if I want to add a picture, I will click here. I will click upload, and I will upload a picture, and now you can see the pictures here. So let's take another picture here. Upload. I put in this picture. It's called just fine. Everything's just fine. I want to add it to my code. So all I do here is I move this one. Image source equals what do we have? Just fine. That JPG. All right. So I have to close this thing here. So if I want to save the code, what I do is I go here, file. I click on these ones, file, and I click save. And now it should be here on my server. You see, now I updated it, and now there's a picture of Obama when your girlfriend leaves a breakup. Note on your Play Store is saying this isn't working, but you turn it on and it works just fine. And Obama, he's sweating. So this is actually what it is. This is when you get a website from Database. You will have your own change code. You will have your own. You will let to change the code, and you can upload to, and maybe there's a library, a program language I don't know about you want to use. You can always just tell me to install it. You can have anything you want. It's just a regular Microsoft Studio code. And when you are done with it, here you click sign out of CodeServer. It will have a default name of your choice if you want. So you sign out, and now you're out again. So I wish you a good day and a great evening, and good luck with coding, and goodbye.